Hello, everyone. This is Ethan Blatz. I'm an intern at InsuredTY. And in this video, I'm just giving a quick rundown on why you may need term life, and especially for Maryland parents. So Tim Yang here, he is the CEO, founder of InsuredTY. I'm just giving credit to him because he's the reason I'm here. And here, this summary was prepared on April 17th, but now June 3rd, I'm just presenting it. So here you go. This is two companies we broker for, Nationwide and Transamerican. So here, let's see, age 50 female, term 20 years, coverage $1 million here. So let's see, the premium here is $106.92. And you see Transamerica be a little bit cheaper, but you see somewhat around the same. Here, there's just a different kind, preferred plus, preferred, standard plus, standard. There you go. Why term life? Thank you for taking interest in term life. Our mission is to help every family invest plus insure. While everyone talks about investing, I personally believe that insuring is just as important to protecting families and communities. I am not a Maryland native, but Tim is. I'm from Philadelphia. Go Eagles. As a Maryland native, thank you for supporting our work. Protection, protect loved ones, children, home, mortgage, grandparents, even the family business. Nationwide Term Life offers $1 million in tax-free protection until 2042. Term life is cheap. Rates are $40 to $50 in your 30s, $50 to $125 in your 40s, but skyrocket after 50. This is very important to know. When you're in your 30s, newly married, you're not thinking about dying, which is very true, and I would like to think that's a good thing to think. But you can have a policy as just as little as $40 a month. It's less than $500 a year. And you think if you don't go out for 2 dinners out in the city, there you go. You're protecting yourself and your family there. And as InsuredTY, we're promising to find the lowest rates guaranteed. Nationwide is the 76th largest company in the US, and that's where we broker for mostly. And we're just going to say thank you for your interest in supporting our mission. And here are just some questions here, some facts, frequently asked questions. Do I really need life insurance? Many of you are wondering, do I actually need this? I don't really know a lot, but basically the way just to think about life insurance, it's like kind of having a 401k for when you retire, but this is having protection for if you pass away and you want to have your family in safe hands with a policy of up to $1 million or even more. It's just pretty much a security blanket to have in the back of your head. If anything ever happens to you or a family member, you just know that your family will be protected by term life insurance or any kind of insurance. So if you already have life insurance through work, some of the times it does not cover all that you would want. We suggest that it should be like 4 to 5 times your salary. And you never know. It's not guaranteed. Stuff can happen. It's always better to just kind of have your own life insurance policy besides from work. It's just good. So term life or whole universal life, it's a lot different. Term life is not guaranteed unless you die. Whole life is you're going to get the money eventually, because in term life, if you have a 20-year term when you're 50 and you outlive it, you're not going to get that money back. But at the same time, it's just safe. So same thing as health insurance. You might be paying health insurance your whole life, but you may not ever go to the hospital. So same thing. Just got to think about it that way. And which life insurance company should you pick? They're all, the top 10 life insurance are pretty great. I wouldn't say one's greater than the other. They're all great companies. They're all similar. So we try to compare, we shop around with the 10 top companies and we reach out and we broker for them, mostly nationwide, but you see what we're doing here. So that's enough for today. Just a little rundown. Thank you for listening. Signing off now.